Good afternoon, scrappers. Just hopefully a quick one. This monitor I found when I was out litter picking. It was just sitting in the grass, so I thought best I'd take it home. It's actually got some water and creepy crawlies in it. Get rid of that cable. I'll take that off. There's a couple of little bits of metal in there. Tiny bits, I'll whack them off later. Back from my holiday in the Shetland Isles as of Monday. It was very good. Saw lots of houses we liked. Just a case of getting everything together, selling my house, selling her house, and then buying somewhere we like up there. But the market's ridiculous at the minute. Houses are going on and they're selling within a week, so it may take a while. And then I can semi-retire to Shetland. So mine should be sold by the end of November. And then we've got to sell hers. But once this one's sold, we can use the money to maybe buy somewhere there. So we're looking at around about Easter next year. And in between times, we're getting married. Because while we were away, I proposed to her. And unfortunately, she said yes. Otherwise, could have been a little bit awkward. I think she already deserves a medal for saying yes, but there you go. Must be doing something right. Not sure what it is. Maybe I'll find out one day. I've got to get through all the junk I've got and get rid of that. There's not a whole lot left anymore. And I was going to keep all my copper, but now I've decided I'm going to keep maybe just make some nice ingots and keep about 10 kilos of it, just because so I don't want to transport 200 kilos of copper up to Shetland when I can get 1,000 quid for it, which would probably be more use in my pocket at the moment. And then brass, I'm going to take 10 kilos of brass, which I want to make into some nice ingots as well. It takes a long time to build up all this stuff, so it'd be nice to keep some of it. Come on, why are you being so awkward? There we go. I think there'll be too much news if you have some nice copper in there. You can see that in these. Also, it's got this transformer there. The copper in there, nice. Didn't look to be much of a scrapping scene on Shetland, obviously because it's an island and it's a fair old way off the mainland. People tend to fix things or reuse them where they can. But there's a lot of old cars just left here and there, so there may be a market for scrapping cars. And if I've got nothing else to do, why not? I'm sure my lovely lady will be delighted. And when we go out litter picking, she joins in, gets excited when we find something good. Not as excited as me, but she's female, what do you expect? Get myself into a whole world of trouble. I did make a video with the actual moment after, but it's on my other phone and I can't get it. Well, she wants me to send it to her. I can't even send it to her. I should have put it on the proper phone I use, but there's got to be a way. I'm not particularly technical, so I do struggle with things like that. You can probably tell by my videos I'm not particularly technical. I need to take that off there. Get that out of there. This was proper smashed up when I found it. As you can see, the screen's totally obliterated. It even had an ant's nest in it, but I think they've all disappeared now because I've left it in the garden for a month. I really didn't fancy getting ants in the house. The new owner might not be too pleased. Somehow. It's something really obvious I'm missing, other than brain cells. There we go. Nice bit of steel. Oh, some spiders. Okay, lads, where are you going? Gotta use a jumper. Come on. You're camera shy. Let's see if that one is.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. I should put them outside at the earliest opportunity. Come on. I'm trying to rescue you, Spanner. Come on. No, he doesn't like me. Try to help. I'll get my tiny screwdriver out. You're kidding me, it's smaller than that. When we get to Shetland, our plan is to have a holiday let. So, if any of you fancy coming up to Shetland, you know where to go. Not sure about mates rates, but you know, bring me a couple of TVs. We could come to a deal. Especially if there's not much scrapping going on up there. I'll be going out of my mind. I'll end up with all the rubbish that nobody wants, like printers and monitors. That's a nice little board there. See the gold flashing on there. Very nice. Some nice MLCCs. And obviously this will have gold pins in it. Yeah, the little tiny gold pins in there. I don't know why I take all these little bits off. Always do, I just leave them on. Oh, Mr. Spider getting in the way again. Well, it's probably me in his way because it's his house. Or it was his house. Always forget these tiny, tiny screws on monitors. I wonder why I can't get things off. Is that them all? Could be. Okay, just got to get those clips over. I'll try to catch up with everyone's videos at the minute as well. I've missed quite a lot lately because I've been sorting things out with the house and then going away. I'll endeavour to catch up with as many as possible. I saw Solar's now 4.5 tonnes of steel. Absolutely unbelievable. And can we get that much? Paid out nicely as well. So good for you. And keep it up. There we go. Sometimes keep these big lumps of plastic. They can come in useful for doing things on the table. You don't mess your worktop up. It's a nice thick one. Useful. And that is it. Nice and easy. These bits here are aluminium. There's a couple of like fluorescent tubes in there. Do not break them. So there we go. Bit of steel, some wire, not much. Decent finger strip board with the gold flashing. There's a couple of crystals on there. And some big flat packs, nice. One with copper. And then the cabling. One monitor. Although it did help that most of it was broken. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe would be awesome. And I'll catch you in the next one. Keep scrapping.